students, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Question number 6 in 6.2 exercise triangles chapter. In the figure 6.21, A, B, and C are the points on OP, OQ, and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is also parallel to QR. So in the question, if you would have given in your triangle PQR, that is a better choice. In your triangle PQR, so whatever it is happening, AB is parallel to PQ as well as AC is parallel to PR. So this is in the triangle PQR only. So it was better that he was added this point. So no problem, we'll solve this sum. So what he has given? So from the figure I can write it. In your triangle PQR, AB is parallel to PQ and AC is also parallel to PR. He has given. So he has given in the triangle PQR, AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. This is given. What we have to require to prove? We have to require to prove that BC is parallel to QR. So this is BC is parallel to QR. Now, how to prove this statement? So this is the theorem. This is the question based on one of the theorem. It is BPT theorem. So we will use the two statements of BPT theorem. One is basic proportionality theorem as well as converse of basic proportionality theorem. So what is basic proportionality theorem? If DE is parallel to BC, if this is parallel in your triangle ABC, so then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, the ratio will be equal. When it is parallel, the ratios are equal. Exactly converse. What is the converse of this BPT theorem? If the ratios are equal, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, then DE is parallel to BC. Exactly reverse of this one. So based on these two statements, we are proving this question. POQ triangle. So I will divide into three parts. This is POQ triangle. This is one triangle. I am naming it as 1. Next, one more triangle, that is OPR triangle. OPR triangle. This is one more triangle. First, I will use these two triangles. Based on these two statements, I will prove that the BC is parallel to QR also. BC is parallel to QR. So look at this triangle, the down one. This is one more triangle. So total, I have divided the big triangle into 3 equal parts. Not equal parts, at least 3 parts. So now we will try this question, we'll solve it. First of all, proof. I will consider in triangle POQ. Look at the red mark of this one triangle, the triangle 1. In POQ triangle, AB is parallel to PQ. Already he has given in the data. AB is parallel to PQ. Therefore, by BPT theorem, so what I can write by BPT theorem? I can write the ratios are equal. OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Ratio will be equal. So same thing I am writing here. It is OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. This is I am taking it as the ratios are equal. I have applied the BPT theorem. When the line is parallel, the ratios are equal. So based on this, I wrote this one. Similarly, in one more triangle, that is triangle POR. In POR also same thing. AC is parallel to PR. Then, so by BPT theorem, what I can write? By BPT theorem, I can write that OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. I can write it. So same thing I am writing here. It is OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. So I am naming it as second equation. If you clearly observe first second equations, this is in the way like this. A is equal to B as well as A is equal to C. A is equal to B and A is equal to C. So clearly I can write it as B is equal to C. So here also same thing from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 equations, what we have deduced, OB by BQ, this ratio is equal to OC by CR. I wrote it here. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now, if you keenly observe in the triangle, third triangle, what is the third triangle? QOR triangle. QOR triangle. If you observe very keenly QOR triangle, in QOR triangle, OB by BQ, this ratio is equal to OC by CR. So this ratios is equal. So if you apply the converse of basic proportionality theorem, if the ratios are equal, then the lines are parallel. Here which line is parallel? So we can say that BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, by converse of BPT, what I can write? Converse of BPT, what I can write? Clearly BC is parallel to QR. So this is only we required to prove it.